motovlogging. I am motovlogging. This is my intro. Motovlogging. Yeah, yeah, yeah. Cali Clutch. Woo! Today is a holiday. Today is a holiday. So I have the day off to do nothing until tonight. I have a dentist appointment. Then I go to work. So I thought on this holiday I should take you guys around my city and show you some cool parts of it and some interesting buildings that we have, I guess. I don't know, there's not really much to Bakersfield, so I'll show you what I can. And there's a couple motorcycle shops on this pretty cool street. And there's a new one that just opened up next to this other one, so I'm gonna check them both out. Because the motorcycle shop I usually go to is way on the other side. These are kind of close, so I'm gonna see if they're even worth my while. So this is the downtownish area. This is kind of the outskirts of it. Pretty cool part of our town. There's one of the cool streets. So we're gonna go around the circle. I get my tires over there for my Jeep, or that's what I did. Long time friend of my dad's. And here we go around the circle, going around the circle. Round the circle, round the circle, and get spit back up on the other side. So where is this place? Oh, that's our General Sergeant supply shop, whatever you want to call it. Oh, there it is. We'll see what they have. That was kind of cool. It's just a little, you know, like local shop type of thing. They don't have much in the store, but they said they can get everything you need out of the store because they don't have much room because they have a garage, which is good to know. If I ever need parts, installation, they can go ahead and do that for me. So I'll hit them up if I ever want to do a full exhaust. If I'm going to do a slip-on, I'm going to do it myself because that's more fun, but full exhaust that's out of my league. The other one is literally like right here, and this is going to be the new one. Oh, that's a museum. We actually have a museum, and it's just a bunch of houses. That's the other place. That was pretty nice. Only problem is like mostly a dirt bike shop, off-road stuff. So one day I'll have a dirt bike, and then that will be of use to me. Professional baseball team, I guess. The cool fact about that stadium: it used to be the Dodgers Rehabilitation Stadium. I don't know, but the players that were trying to get back up in the professional baseball would go play with them, and I think they were going to come start doing that again this year, but some other team got before them. I think it was like the A's or some, I don't know, not as popular team around here. There it goes. Little macho BMW. I want to say he tried to race me. There's a parade going on.
Is it all down Chester too?
No. Chester's good. I just came from there. Kinda messed up lady. One Corvette. What you gonna do with all that muscle? Also, I guess I can talk about something since I'm out and about. What I originally wanted to do was kind of foiled by the parade. But Veterans Day! Hey, it's Veterans Day! If you don't know what that is, in America we celebrate the people that served in our military. Hoorah! So, I salute you, veterans, guys. You guys know I have a weakness for exhaust. Listen to this. I will take that over the noises of an orgasm any day. Okay, maybe not any day. A lot of other days. So speaking of exhaust, what exhaust should I get for my bike? I was thinking, start with the slip-on. They're cheaper, and I don't know, maybe with full exhaust. Plus, full exhaust, you gotta get a power commander and avoid the warranty and all that jazz. So I'm just gonna get a slip-on. I was looking at the one by TST Industries, or that Japanese company, Yoshimura, something like that, or Two Brothers Racing. Or maybe there's one that I don't know about. Just give me a second. Give me a second. Give me a second, guys. Oh my god. So, exhaust. If you guys know one that I didn't name and think I should look at it, I want something loud and beefy. I don't want like a little racer sound. I want like the beef. I want people to hear me. I'm like, well, not Harley beef, but you know, beef. You know, if you ever saw the 300 video, that was a pretty loud. That was a Iwashima, whatever company. Hooters. We have a Hooters. Love Hooters. But thanks for watching this one. I can't guarantee it's gonna be any good. But later, guys. This is until next time. Adieu.